Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Outlook's Rules wizard so you can automate message handling immediately. First, go to File, choose Manage Rules and Alerts, and pick the account you want rules on. Once done, click New Rule. Select a template to speed things up or start from a blank rule if you need full control. This first step sets the scope and saves time later. Make sure to pick the right account because rules apply per profile and can behave differently across folders. Next, you define how messages are identified and what happens to them, which is the core of the rule. Choose clear conditions such as a sender address, subject keywords, or message size. This reduces false positives. Then pick precise actions like moving to a folder, deleting, flagging, categorizing, or running a script for complex workflows. Add exceptions to prevent unwanted filtering and give the rule a descriptive name. Once these middle steps are complete, test with 1 or 2 emails to confirm behavior. Finally, finalize and test so the rule works reliably. Decide whether to run the rule on existing messages or only on new incoming mail, then enable it, position it correctly in the rule list for priority, and click Apply and OK. Observe results for a day to be sure. If things go wrong, check whether the rule is client-only versus server-side, verify the exact conditions and folder paths, and simplify the rule to isolate which part is failing before rebuilding it.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.